Hi guys, and welcome to my quick video here about aerial photograph skills and our Ordnance Survey map. This video is going to show you how you can orientate your aerial photograph to give you an idea as to the rough direction in which the camera was pointing when the photograph was taken. So you will use this aerial photograph in conjunction with your Ordnance Survey map to figure this out. So I'm using the 2021 exam paper from Foxford and the aerial photograph from Foxford and OS map from Foxford in County Mayo. So the first thing you do is you get your aerial photograph and you find roughly the middle point of it, and you draw a straight line as best you can from bottom to top. Okay, as best you can, all the way up along. Now my one is short, but you go all the way to the top. And the idea of this is that you would be looking for important features or landmarks that intersect or break the line, or that can be found to the left or the right of the line. So obviously the most obvious one that breaks the line is the river. We also have the bridge right here, and to the left of the line and the left of the bridge again, we have a Y in the road between a big road and a slightly smaller one. And then in the slightly smaller road, again, it breaks off into a Y fairly quickly, okay? A couple of other little things maybe that I can see. I've got a kind of a loop road here, a ring road around the town in this direction. I can see that there are a number of churches, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and I can see that there's one church to the left of the line and that there are 2 churches to the right of the line. So when I come to my OS map, I should be roughly drawing a line that intersects the river, that has the bridge and a Y in the road to the left of that line, with one church to the left of the line, and to the right of the line there should be 2 churches. So roughly what I should be doing is coming back to my OS map. I'll zoom in on the Foxford town area, and I'm having a good close look at my map, okay? And I can see if I can identify any of those features, okay? So I'm going to make my little biro here a little bit smaller. Lovely. Okay, so you can see that I have the churches, 1, 2, 3. You can see I have the river, I have the bridge, I have a Y in the road here, and another Y in the road here. So that gives me a fairly clear indication as to where I should be hopefully drawing my line. Okay, so I'm going to erase those off here now again, and I'll get my Ordnance Survey map, and I'm going to get my arrow, and I'm going to draw my arrow. I'm going to make it smaller now first of all. Okay, and I know that my arrow should have at least one school on the left, the bridge on my left, the Y's in the road to my left. So this is roughly the orientation or direction in which my photograph was taken. How do I know this again? Let's just go back here and have a look. I've got one school or one church to the right of the bridge, 2 churches to the right of the bridge, 1 church to the left, bridge to the left, Y's in the road to the left of my line as well. So I can say with a certain degree of confidence that this is the orientation and direction which the photograph was taken. So how do I figure out now what is that direction? Well, I know that straight up is north on an OS map, straight down is south, straight across to the right is east, and straight across to the left is west. If you look at my arrow there, it's not exactly north, it's not exactly northwest, it's not, it's kind of in between. It looks like that the direction in which this photograph was taken was north by northwest, or even a general northwesterly direction. But it's certainly not a northwest, which would be that way. So it's somewhere in between. It's in this general area kind of direction that my arrow is pointing. So it is a north by northwest direction in which the cameraman was facing when he took the picture of Foxford. Okay, so that's how you figure out the direction that a photograph was taken using an OS map.